Surok since the beginning of the project. I'm not saying since the beginning, since the inception, right from the time when we put proposal and when we have been initiated, when the sanction has been made for Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur. This is a dream and aspiration of the people at large. And the government is kind enough to sanction, and we have received the sanction also on the 10th of October 2024. And the foundation stone for this Nongpoh-Umden-Sonapur road was laid on December 10, if I'm not. Public property. No one has any right to just go and destroy land. This is public money is using. It is a public property. It is a public road. It has been made properly. And we have no right to just interfere like that as citizens. So my request to all the citizens also to see properly, to verify properly. If anything is there, give in writing, go and talk to the officer, come to me as MLA, go and talk to the contractor. That is a civilized way of doing things. We should work together. So it is very important that we should not destroy public property which has been made, but we should have a constructive mind to work together for the benefit of each and every one of us. So I hope that now everything will be fine. And I also thank all those concerned people who have been there, who have raised this issue. It has been an eye-opener to not only to this project, for all other projects also. I would like to thank them also, but we have to be very cautious and careful in days to come. And very important on this note is that we should work together, and anything is there, we have to come into the table to discuss and to the conclusion in which for the benefit each and every one of us.